Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have an LG soundbar and it's not working right, or the Bluetooth isn't connecting, or it's not connecting to something, sometimes doing just a hard factory reset will get everything working again. So you're going to need to reconnect it to things after you do this reset, but if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and do it. The first thing to do is to go into whatever devices you have it paired with and remove it from those devices so that it won't recognize it when it comes back on. And then we're going to come over to our soundbar and we're going to hit the Bluetooth button and then reach around in the back and press on the input select button and press and hold those for several seconds until the screen will actually pop up reset. And it'll go through a reset cycle. And then once it goes through its reset cycle and turns off, then we can come over to the power button, turn it on, and then we'll need to repair the soundbar with whatever devices we have. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.